Wow, the weather is so beautiful. I'm now in my herb garden because I want to harvest some basil for my 3-cup chicken. Usually in Taiwan, we use Thai basil when we cook 3-cup chicken, and Thai basil has that licorice and its aroma, But since I also have some different kind of basil in my own herb garden, I thought I am going to improvise with whatever I have. But I also have some Thai basil in the fridge, so I'm going to use both of them. I recently got this mint basil from a local supermarket, and it just smells so good. It kind of reminds me of mojito for summertime. So I decided, just harvest some of those and see how this will go with my Taiwanese 3-cup chicken. Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking Beautifully. What are you cooking today? Today I am going to cook a famous Taiwanese dish, 3-cup chicken, because I got a request from one of my followers, Wills1. Speaking of 3-cup chicken, first I want to talk about one thing is this is my take of 3-cup chicken, and I do not like the word authentic. I mean, I would say 3-cup chicken is a dish in Taiwan. If you ask 30 people, they can give you 30 different recipes. Even the food in Taiwan will constantly evolve, this is my take of the 3-cup chicken. Other people might have different recipe. This is, my own twist. But basically, if it's 3-cup chicken, you must have 3 key ingredients. Those 3 cups. 1 cup refers to sesame oil. 1 cup refers to Taiwanese rice wine. And 1 cup refers to soy sauce. It is very important to go through all of them. First, sesame oil. Can you use olive oil, canola oil, or any random other oil? No, it has to be sesame oil. Taiwanese rice wine. If you cannot get Taiwanese rice wine, you can use Japanese sake. Sake will still work. That one, it's okay. Soy sauce. I highly recommend you use both soy sauce, both the dark soy sauce and light soy sauce. You might wonder what's the difference between light soy sauce and dark soy sauce. First, which one it's more salty? It's actually light soy sauce. It's weird, right? I mean, like, hey, but you call it light soy sauce. Shouldn't it be lighter? No, this is more salty. So dark soy sauce, the dark actually refers to color. The dark soy sauce is less salty, but it has more color. So it will give your 3-cup chicken that desirable dark color for your chicken. It's very important. I usually use both of them. Then one important thing is the Thai basil. Thai basil is different from sweet basil or other kind of basil. It has that anisey, like licorice flavor to it, savory, very delicious. I would say if you cannot find Thai basil, are you going to give up making this dish? No. Just improvise with whatever you have. For example, I have some really nice mint basil in my small herb garden. I'm just going to harvest, and I will use some of them. I will use some Thai basil together to create my own 3-cup chicken. One more ingredient that's important is sugar. In Taiwan, actually for savory cooking or even dessert, we use a lot of rock candy. In Taiwan, we call this bintang. And the reason we like to use those rock candy is it's not like overly sweet, But I would say if you cannot find rock candy, are you going to give up making this dish? No, just use granulated sugar, light brown sugar. You will be fine. And then this one is just my take of 3-cup chicken. So sometimes 3-cup chicken is spicy, sometimes it's non-spicy. I myself like to make my food like hot and spicy. So this is my take It's kind of similar to Kung Pao chicken. So when you make Kung Pao Jiding Kung Pao chicken, you need to start with the chili pepper. You use this more for the aromatic component. It's like frequent spicy, you know? So you add this to your oil, and when you smell that beautiful spicy aroma, you are going to remove the aromatic and then start to cook your chicken. And finally, in the end, I would like to add a little more red chili. I mean, color, it make it look beautiful. And as I mentioned, I like it to be spicy, so this is my take of 3-cup chicken. Let's go cook! 3 cups of chicken. Of course, the chicken is the most important thing for this dish. You may wonder if you should get chicken breast, chicken thigh, you know, all different parts of chicken. I myself, I really like chicken thigh because it has a lot more fat and it means more delicious for me. And you may wonder if you should get boneless chicken thigh or, you know, chicken thigh with bone. I myself actually like chicken thigh with bone. However, you do need to get a knife like this, you know, cleaver knife, and those are pretty sharp, and this can cut through even the bone, pretty powerful. So let me show it to you. You see, you can easily cut through the bone like this, right? It's like effortless. Super quick. You're done. In order to make this delicious Taiwanese 3-cup chicken, you will need a Chinese wok. The first thing you want to do is to crank up the heat. You want to wait a little bit until your sesame oil is really hot. What you are looking for is the sizzling sound. Now the wok is super hot. What you are going to do is to add some ginger, add some chili pepper. Stir fry a little bit until you can smell the beautiful aroma. After you smell the beautiful aroma, you can remove the aromatic and add more sesame oil, add some scallions, add some garlic. Stir fry a little more. When you smell the aroma from the garlic and the scallion, it's time to add sugar and chicken. Wow, look at this. The chicken is cooking so well. Don't forget to add your Taiwanese rice wine and soy sauce. You want to cook until the sauce gets really, really thick. Now the sauce is getting thick. You can turn off the heat, add the Thai basil, and more chili pepper to finish. Typically, we enjoy 3-cup chicken with rice in Taiwan. My 3-cup chicken is ready, and I also cook some rice. I cannot wait to try this. Wow. Every time when I have 3-cup chicken, I feel like I was back home in Taiwan. I really, really love this dish, and I encourage all of you to try my recipe. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for choosing Cooking Beautifully, where memories are made.